Hello everyone, welcome back to Nandini Creative Ideas. Here we are going to do wall makeover using masking tape. This is a plain white wall of my room where I am going to do a wall makeover. Here I am covering the border of the wall using masking tape so that the paint will not come out. Here I am making a geometrical triangles. And yeah, it's all done. I'm using a plaster polymer of Asian paint. In these triangles I'm using two colors, that is orange and green. They both are the vibrant colors. Actually, why I have choose these colors because they gives a ethnic touch to my wall. Here I am painting randomly on the triangles. Here I am painting a double coat on the wall so that it will look nice. I have done with the double layer of coating on all the triangles. Now it's all done. Now it's time to remove the masking tape from the wall. Guys, be careful while removing the masking tape because sometimes the paint will come out with the masking tape. So slowly and gently remove the masking tape from the wall. This is really so therapeutic. Really, it's so energizing while removing the masking tape. Now this is the final look of my wall. Guys, this is the exact look which I want. I am so excited that I am not even trying to take my eyes off from my wall. I hope you also like my wall makeover. Then please hit the like button, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.